Hi, I'm David Schindler, Event Director for Materials 2017, the new conference and exhibition focused entirely on materials for architecture, construction and design. I'm here at the Building Centre today to have a chat with Ruth Slavid, our moderator, and a couple of key speakers.
I think it's really important to have an event that focuses on materials. Architects, of course, talk about form and space and light, but in order to create those, you have to create them with the materials, whether they're your structural materials or whether they're the building envelope. And materials are developing so fast in terms of performance and in terms of new elements and in terms of sustainability that if you don't know what's happening, then you're really missing a trick. There's a really good lineup of speakers. There's a combination of practitioners and people from industry who are at the forefront of development. People like Andrew Waugh of Waugh Thistleton, who has really pioneered the use of CLT in buildings. People like Tim Macfarlane, who's done some of the most innovative work in glass.
For the last 30 years, we've been involved rather unusually in developing glass as a structural material. So we managed to, I think, probably innovate 12 very distinct moves in the use of glass as a structural material. And many of the things you see around you, glass staircases, glass floors, glass beams, were all things that we pioneered. The talk that I'm going to give will focus on the developments that took place in a design sense during that period.
And many people may know Building Centre as one of the founding bodies really of bringing together sort of knowledge around materials with the specifiers. So we're delighted to be supporting Materials 2017, absolutely the kind of event that we like to see happening because we're here to really bring that knowledge together that enables the innovation in the built environment.
The idea that I have is to talk about how we bring materials together from a structural perspective. We just bring all the materials together and not look at the materials for what their primary purpose is, but also try to look for other functionalities of that material.
So in addition to the main conference, there will also be an RIBA CPD session where you can go and learn about, in more detail, about elements of materials and how they can be used, standards and performance.